In today's video, I'm going to show you how to analyze your contacts using HubSpot's Contact Analytics tool. This is perfect if you want to understand your audience better and make smarter decisions for your business. First, log into your HubSpot account and head over to the Reporting section. From there, go to the Reports area and click on Create Report. You'll want to select the option for Contacts, which will allow you to focus on all the data related to the people in your CRM. Once you're in the report editor, you can start customizing your report. Choose the date range that fits your analysis, like the past month or quarter, so you can see trends over time. Next, pick the fields or properties you want to include. For example, you might add things like annual revenue, deal stage, or the close date. These details help you get a clear picture of your contacts and their value. After selecting your fields, you can also choose how you want the data displayed. HubSpot lets you use charts, tables, or graphs, which makes it easier to spot patterns and insights at a glance. Once everything looks good, click Save Report and give it a clear name and description. You can also add it directly to your dashboard so it's easy to access anytime. HubSpot even has an AI assistant that can help you analyze the report further, suggesting trends or key insights you might have missed. This makes understanding your contacts much faster and more effective. And that's it. You now know how to create and analyze contact reports in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.